20 important questions of biology with answers for you. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Nucleus. D. Golgi body. Correct answer is B. Mitochondria. What is the basic unit of life? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Tissue. D. Organ. Correct answer is B. Cell. What pigment gives plants their green color? A. Hemoglobin. B. Chlorophyll. C. Melanin. D. Keratin. Correct answer is B. Chlorophyll. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Brain. D. Lungs. Correct answer is B. Heart. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Fight infections. B. Transport oxygen. C. Store fat. D. Produce hormones. Correct answer is B. Transport oxygen. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver. B. Skin. C. Heart. D. Brain. Correct answer is B. Skin. Which organ filters waste from the blood? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Lungs. D. Stomach. Correct answer is B. Kidney. What do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Water. Correct answer is B. Oxygen. What is the main function of the lungs? A. Digest food. B. Exchange gases. C. Filter blood. D. Produce energy. Correct answer is B. Exchange gases. What is the hardest substance in the human body? A. Bone. B. Tooth enamel. C. Cartilage. D. Hair. Correct answer is B. Tooth enamel. What is the process by which plants make food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Fermentation. D. Digestion. Correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. Which part of the plant absorbs water? A. Stem. B. Leaves. C. Roots. D. Flowers. Answer C. Roots. What is the study of life called? A. Biology. B. Chemistry. C. Physics. D. Geology. Answer A. Biology. Which human body system controls movement? A. Digestive system. B. Nervous system. C. Circulatory system. D. Skeletal system. Correct answer is B. Nervous system. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Stapes. C. Tibia. D. Ulna. Correct answer B. Stapes. How many chambers does the human heart have? A. 2B. 3C. 4D. 5. Correct answer C. 4. Which organ produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Stomach. D. Kidney. Correct answer B. Pancreas. What are animals that eat only plants called? A. Carnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Omnivores. D. Scavengers. Correct answer B. Herbivores. Which gas is most important for human breathing? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Correct answer A. Oxygen. What is the outer covering of a plant cell called? A. Cell membrane. B. Cell wall. C. Chloroplast. D. Nucleus. correct answer B. Cell wall. How many of your answers were correct? Please do tell us honestly in the comment. Thank you.